Is the spiritual path quite difficult? Is it a tough journey leading to a happy destination? No. The path itself is blissful. Manikavasaka Swamigal sings, Atrinba Vellame Atta Mikkai Nindra. The Lord is the Father. He just puts His care that the path is flooded with bliss. It is all full of bliss. The mind perceives bliss in it. The Lord reveals He is beyond that. A new frame, the mind frames. The Lord again reveals He is beyond that. He is a flood of bliss. When the spiritual path is established, the mind establishes the contact with the Lord, the path is blissful,